Hello, my name is Solomon. I attend Friends Seminary, and today I will be talking about the second milestone for my project, the robotic arm. This is the current state of my project. It has the same functionality as the first milestone. However, I am unable to show you that because I am currently in the process of connecting the Bluetooths to the controller and the other Bluetooth to the arm. I have also built the car that the arm will eventually go on top of, and the revamped controller, which has an extra controller that has an extra joystick just for the car. During this next phase of my project, I've run into some new technical difficulties. The first and most recent of these technical difficulties was turning on the Bluetooth. I struggled a lot with making sure the wiring was correct for the Bluetooth, as well as making sure the code lined up for the Bluetooth. I got many errors that did not allow me to connect the Bluetooth module to my laptop, as well as verify that it was connected and working. But I was finally able to fix that, and I am now ready to move on and be able to do the handshake. The second problem that I was able to fix was the car. Unfortunately, when they sent me the car, I didn't have the correct parts, I didn't have the correct parts for the car, so I could not finish it. However, off of my own accord, I was able to procure new screws and was able to completely build the car so that way it works and everything is attached. The third technical difficulty I have been running into is overall the general wires and making sure that I have enough female to male wires to be able to connect everything to not just the Bluetooth, but also for the joysticks as well. Despite all the work I was able to get done this week, I still have a lot of work to go before the end of this program. For example, one of the most important parts of this process is the handshake between the two Bluetooths. So that way I'm able to establish the connection I want and be able to have my car and arm separate from my laptop, from my controller. Once that handshake is finished, I will be able to attach the arm onto the car and program the car to be able to move with the third joystick. Then I will attach the separate power for both the joystick controller and for the car and the arm. And once I finish that part of the project, I will have to troubleshoot and make sure that everything works and is still connected. If it all is still connected and I have time, which I hope I will be able to add 2 more Bluetooths to the project, adding one separate Bluetooth to the third joystick, so that way it may control the car separately, which would also require a separate Bluetooth for the car. So that way, instead of being able to only send one signal at a time, i.e. only moving just the car or only moving just the arm, I'll be able to do both at the same time. Thank you very much for listening to my second milestone.